Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another edition of John Can, You Can. And if you like what you see on this channel, please subscribe. What I have today for you is a tire step. It actually fits on the tire and you step on the vehicle from that point, but I modified it to do something else. I made it a middle step for the back of my truck so I can climb on to it when I have my camper on. So this is what it looks like. I've just taken the product, comes in the box, and all you do is have to slide in this one upper section into it and then put a pin in it with a cotter pin. So I've taken the actual screws that come with the Jeep already and in their positions as they are, and I unscrewed them and then put in these little clips. I put in these little U or D clips, whatever you want to call them, and attach them with 250-pound capable zip ties. These things are really strong. And in the corners, I just connected it to the hinge area in the back, which doesn't cause any trouble operating up or down the truck tailgate. So there you go. It goes right like that. Very, very simple to put on. And you can see I just attached it at those two spots to keep it stable and sturdy from sliding back and forth and going up and down by putting on these zip ties. The only part that stays on the truck is the little U shape, so you can take off this whole piece here, which has the step on it. So if I put it down like this, you see I have a step now on the back of my Jeep that I can step on and go in and out. It's pretty strong too, because once I also modified where these rubber bumpers go. They were set to lower, and I raised them up to hit right at the edge of the tailgate so that they're in a strong position, so I can just step on it and go up and down. It's very, very strong. So, and I also went with the one that has the more grip here instead of one that is smooth, this base step, because having a base step when it's wet or your feet are muddy or you just have a snow condition, whatever, you're going to want this kind of grip on your step. So there you have it. Pretty simple thing to make, but it is your rear step. But because it's 28 inches off the ground, is the same height as a table. So I have a cutting board that is 18 inches deep, so it sits out to about right here, 18 inches from here to here, and it's 24 inches long, so it's a little longer. And I put it here, and I have my table to sit down and just chill out and eat and chat, or I can put my cutting board up here because it fits between this piece and the end of the tailgate and sits about right up to here. So the 18 by 24 area here is for also, as when I put the cutting board there, just to cut. So it's a table and cutting board. Got to get universal and be more utilitarian. Okay, so there you have it. That's what I would do with this thing, but you can also use it over your tire. If you need to climb into a truck bed for everyday use, you just stick this U shape over the tire and then you can step into your bed. I have a lifted truck, so it's quite a bit off the ground, and so you need that extra step to get into the back of the tailgate and truck bed area.